ma la ga chang dar chai nyor ko dung dit media ga chang jandang ra ude bangwan ka paiwal karon kin dang ra ude jandang ra ude diech an mak bangut gok bay nong la tla no yen chang ka dung dit media ga tin tho ko junub Sudan ken win mo no dien dung dit media gwa leng mo gwa ka tung no la ne ala ri chang ku yene la gor ko ne tin la je ga ne ka dung dit media mi chran jo ma la jak ko share ko like ko ba ko wan ba ko le shop ko ba ne ko no wan leng to ko me ba ka ja je ga bar ko ndong ne ko dung dit media and wala ga chang ja nang ra ko bang wan ka dung dit media man ba ko ra jode bala continuation right mi ja ko tong na pan cha ko nong ye pan la episode mi right ka quick doctor gaj ka plan na nan ta ka table mi da nyamde men goro be yen ba wa ko bu bo gwel ka ko bu bat me ja ko nya la ga no rob Jonglei State ko rundang wol diech tikana ko bu kana menen so no jala topic na ba ko samari ka rwai te pande ja ko lat ba ga nyoko mulu ne ge ye jene ku ne lar go mi ran jo me jak be share ka be like Dr. ga chana nga je ru jen ge of Jonglei State chana policy de manda na duo je ga Jonglei State ke kornin tiri chana ngach en go politic na na te ge a device, rule and device. The Ganat Jonglei State. Now the center of his rule and device policy. Ray lock. The yen Reagan war, the war a lock. So today, take a plan go be yen bawa kubu. The waka waror. He was planning to go to Nirol. Charajok Mokwe plan now over waka kubu. That we say for the first time after 15 years. Kujan walk a kubunuke 2010 during election and water kele jalap, a candaman gijinu. So Karun the take care of Janga Juba from 2013 up to now. Kanamaji and Bawa Kubu. Tell Lunga about what is the situation of people there ka Kubu. In the state, who contribute again. The problem no corner to our local. She got displacement, she got corner to our local, she got and antathin ka politic de men ko do ke jub so no mala raje won wala ba jien ba ko bu ko chan ko la ga no Salva Kiir in the area of our topic ban rajo de ko ne what is the good of it ngori ga ja gor ka ko mo now come ye jien wa ko what will be the problem need to corner bo talk bad me wa ko tin go ne ba ko la ja ko bu mu ku ken ge ba mat kan ta dia na ngai kan ba guys go up to this day Lincoln go ahead of that visiting kan plan no mo china nyur ka ko to lar ga je ore ga chedem ben ka ko for 1 2 3 reason to dia do kan ba ra jodi ento tin go ne ba ka reflect dira maling ne ke bi go bi ngai the situations of ja ko today ta ndan na kwara si be kan ne ore ga ben ka ko bi ling. Well, story of Dr. Agaj, story Manoon, a well-known person, ka politic of Junub Sudan, ko all face ka our politic. She served naga jalap about 3 decades now. Ti ram kel ka siyasa mula George nga jere Agaj. So up to this stage, ye chop naga go balaga of Jonglei State. Churwinde di ala rego kwide chutaka portion malarja ko ore gaj as a person che value de ka siase ala long da me no ka je ne te konte ngai ka je in his political career che di valued che yo pin good che wo yen ka ta da ne gwe ko de gornu position me enough murong ka je Bronco then ideal that represents as a Nori, Jawa Guru Bala Governor of Jonglei State. So Jawa one governor, which a corner core Makain governor before this. So no more one thing which a lot, we let go order, which a politic a la valued chayopi. But I would need one right to go a guy act for political deception. Go there you deceive, kai. They are Michima Guade, in which Micha complied with it. They are no problem. A man would realize after some time ago, let a guy care 1 2 3 reason. so taro you ne wan chu ko right so ala de won ta me ben ga jong le state the state the corner of queen e go banada ne the corner of dark the target big la low ko of course ngai kon bor that are supporting him kata da ne weje keret plak ko go yes film they were supporting him chika problem ka je problem the internal transformation ne la rebo ja la re ka jemo ku yeno me la re ka jemo we bor e wo low ba da ga di ngai je re lo ko te ko te resistant ngai ja kubu ngai ja nyorol ngai ja most part of buror ko these people tare ga cha kum mala kum self care cha ma ko kan so plan ga de kon de we je shwe land rule and device che design la kon ko jana mandan and to table kare guys so ken am jaben yal gamo la chwalu icho la payam sinara jore du payam no mo ko ke liu akai ko payam we create in the state is not only a single person decision amita ga processed look at state level take a state process to ba war ngoda kanane forward to the national government ko ba ko wa final decision so menan me wala were do arabe yo kai kai ne me yo kan ngai ta na na le je je jendi alba wo dong te ga mil re ga ni yemu gwa internally da ga ni ye ko ngai je the result of this bawa dispute kalane wona me munda e na me dora e nga ga me chi ga content we nung titet that you don't need this time so you talk about the ye na mo chure ni wara jo de yo this one is zero yen wora payam nu kunte kon ko kore ga e kor ba wo kuma wa wo the coming governor will not recognize this payam ko is very difficult wodi payam ni established telaga legality telaga budget telaga political will telaga consultation ko community ko nga kana nga mo gor payam so taro ko tiba dissolve ani governor beben so chala ranji roje mo ne do wodo widi ende chara je wore ne payam re ga yelatke let them go back kan ne chara go agwe ke kan ta na na weje shwala kel diodien chaban ko da kana dana nen ga nyrol che to ko lawo ga bal cha ga da tukbi li ken da rawtindit cha ga da ka chiem pol I mean cha ga da ka che lang kan ne che yol within chi yol chalo tek ne le wanang tu wanang la neke kane di chilo yen sara mat ne no ken la ga ba lo ken che lang mulu no tek red chi yol me just confused that we talk about them yesterday jan right equidian pan so a rule and device on je da go lo chara mat kene wuru yala bol makwe a controversial commissioner chakora equida pan chakola do urjan me garnya jan me pinere jan tap kone je makwe chul I mean makwe was ideologically a jang so chara mat kel kwa ga bal kwa confused without calculation of ga bal tor do ya na kendo and a mistake a balare kare logo mo the results ben kake ko ba ga nywa ko lo dial so no mo re gan bal jenen kon bol kanen kon khana kanen kon koro ke chaji mo bna nyi no nga ku create ga chaga bal yo confused center of county a headquarter of the county seat Aralanken again the humanitarian up ray log to chimaga balgorodian to morthin to she daptin to do roken la do young lady roken tagatin to tat tagatin again the center of all the humanitarian organization think one supply ray log to do wall and tin to wood tin this is not the headquarter but lanken che wo kalanken che nang na ko la yola padding ala conspiracy kamre guy can uru ala bol makwe. It is a confusion. So no you know you confusion with me people tanako braga tanaka war fiber Cher ka ta nen ko no go ne ko la mobilization dor mala chwale pultoro ka dor mala chwale padding ka panyang we kwa gu ne to aklat pano ji do arkel to chwale chi nyar kwai ji do arkel to ne ko no bodo ga jere ga cha kolar bol makwe ama bodol na ji gar ke tul che kero nya matin ka ji ching tin na ran mo wilu anga na ran wilu anga ka na wara la rai lo ka e cha ko tie e cha ko mat jang rai lo so to dia la to ka pur da ko pa regach ke sia da ne ke ti kon la rai lo ka na ja ben ko po ko wa ka ku ta ban me la ka ku Akubu nuka daga ya dang ni kam na mala SPL maigo ka Akubu jen kwan commissioner bad me ja reng ma cher me ayen je chup ku cha SPL maigo cha jo dora kan cha ku me ada ku man mala ci kuin kwor e pente da rega la kwor bata Akubu so me yo to fe gar ni man goin be lew guru yo la kwe nya lew be lew ke Johnson goin be lew bi ci ma wur ko be mo no wur ni rol I mean wur changna jeno ko be as a worker as an organization worker so kwai fi jago commissioner ba ko na bro ito da ram ko ba ko e kwe nya lew be lew gar ni man goin be lew mo kwai ke ere guide with the interest of go be legacy in going be lew ba ka fulfill ba ka implement ko ram chiramo you know going to be relationship that can self a care relationship that can ayeran the government is strong gar ni man connection ga self a care connection ga bol mel connection ga whoever is very easy then aran kare ga so che kwen nya law che no yen the commissioner a controversial commissioner road ne over confusion mi yen be no ga ko now jana wa ga Akubu to do what muwelelo Akubu tete ayu fully nago komana ke nago bole no ke nago sijune nago ngude SPL mayu mitedu so mu wetira langa wetira more confused now and on the top of that ramajel kel ke nurmula chwali Peter Lambut. Kondi angana Lambut. Lambut, a defunct secretary. We can call him a defunct. We are called a secretary of SPLM. We call him. Lad kadial ke contribution the suffering of Nuer. We call dial. Madeo gorga Akubu dinu. Wajel kel. Wake. Biregaj bejawa kai kaini. Keterega beta low. Kechia mari. Ngu. Belambut be kairo kaja bada SPLM self-akir mulunu in general a payback taram kel yelat ke social media jan no more payback and plan mo wa nyono you medan mele yana lodo de yene lelen continue we are here what can you do wadoli tel reina door mutok michalo is a good visiting mulunu ji en mo wajaga kubumo Adot. And then we talk about the position of Akubu. Adinu today can plan them. Position of Akubu la chap Jacob was very clear. Chakra Jordan in Nangarawati. And who may yelling a canoe gaji jap Bini is planning to come to Akubu and name Conjala Kel. Machari Alakatine Chaluk who regard Benga Akubu. Dual again, Tambe. They are going on. Tabogni, the Dwolokian, the Quarangana, Dwolokian, Kabus, Quaranganiching, Quaranganarak, Tamanga, Dwolokian, the will call the Dwolokian, Tilaga, Konja Kubu, we don't accept. You call a guy, you call a Gorga Kub. Tiger is an Ken, Tara Jordan, and Nanga to reason a Jacob to look at a guy. Mulu and a position and a position was solid. The Guru connected the Along Conde Lajikin, Lajacob. We support them. Go to guide, there are many reasons. As a Jacob check, kol kon de al kon la ga nuore jo ko re ti jak ti ngai kon di al ga 1 2 3 chakara jodian ga ni di al ti chakara jodian pan ko within the family of jugal cook la chi mane te ngai kon jo ko ri al ne ga na ngai ngak ge wo chen na malel that today mugore je we ka ko ba kon na sar ni and those things to the families bagala do me to genen ba nga je ken kon jo ko bu la kon ja ko le ga ti jak in general ko plan ga ta na nen kon ge mi ji to ga nyol wada ga ko bu ti ba wala tin ti ba wala die bi wa ti ba ya dak ba ja ko ba ga dak ta ko lat pan wo don surprise ko da to da ko the headquarter o ba ko bu je ga yan nga ni de nang ni ga loid based on ta na ne lat ga nyol so to find a way go be confused be at a problem ni be ro dun mo ke karik as ya ko be yan shi an da ran ta ga yen ta security stability ndan be je kaye te na la neke rai ke ba le jo wala ku me o ma ku me to ko de na bu re mi ale o ma re mi ale a ko bo be ni chungo man tam shi into ran resilient ke yerot ko sharut ko ta kanon ro be ni chunga position nun ko ya la ro manu jinu bi lo nyur ci malben do ko be ko le pente da ramugul mi ci mayen not now ke last days rundi ali yarut shada pal jor ke last day now is the last day tena ga ni job so no position da ja ko bustin en wala ga yire ga che bo ga ko bu agenda kon yal tin that we support ko re kon la element tin gurma da la ro ka ko bu ne ro mo yo to ra ne kien to la go de ga go to ko we cannot talk about them ko ngai kon ga 10% kon nuore ti ta kam mo we know them chanbala ni chut ken and we know how they are talking about this issue of jere ga jere waga ko ti lat ken ngai kon dial but the main interest is ken kon ya kwen ko re ga a chi wa ku be yodol o mela yene wedi ganen kada men mi jiak ali buat ben mu wa wo kala cha wo ko ba kana wo ki o te mal be wa ku ba bat mi atin dia lo kon de la rodin gi junub Sudan mi cha ko long mo kwa ga elo ko no ba ko cholo e de wala na me and in summary right ne ko re ga policy de me do jere loko can objective we jaga Jonglei state now they are in practice ladeke and the last thing e go go we ka kubu we problem we nyong we develop ka kubu and the good thing e go jo akubu position there can we don't want taka de guy gor ka kubu whatever mo goro mo alade jenta na na ko la die wale ko dung din media de ne cholo dung changa wala me ban lo ji yo ko tyang ka baro ken ti lot kan ni update nyin chang kan nyin joga we call it a day lo da te ko sha ko lim shukran